Okay, what do we have today?
If you're designing for military, aerospace, or other high reliability applications, then you probably cringe each time you see a change notification from your semiconductor suppliers. What will you do when they convert to lead-free packaging? You get them reballed, of course. ISI offers BGA Reballing that includes removing the lead-free solder balls, then attaching eutectic tin lead solder balls or other special solder ball alloys. ISI's reballing process is tailored to each part and has been audited and approved by several Tier 1 defense suppliers. It includes incoming and outgoing quality inspections, high accuracy tooling for reballing, cleaning, and optical inspection, and customer-specified packaging and optional part marking. This saves you from needing to stockpile your leaded BGAs or redesign your product in response to a change to lead-free packaging.